Hello, I'm Kyler, the CEO of Morphed Tech. I'd like to talk to you about our app development services. First off, let's make one thing clear. Building a truly native app isn't a shortcut process. It requires talented developers, many hours, and meticulous line-by-line coding. And that's exactly how we do things at Morphed Tech. Our team is entirely US-based, and we are proud to develop iOS and Android apps from scratch. Yes, there are hundreds of services that are promising quick, cheap, and easy app development. But we at Morphed Tech don't make promises we can't keep. Our starting price for app development is $90,000. We finance that in-house to make it a little easier, but this investment covers everything from initial design and development all the way through to hosting and submission to the App Store and Google Play. But we don't stop at launch. We're here for the long run, supporting your app as it grows from MVP to 1 million users. We offer a flexible monthly retainer for ongoing maintenance and improvements to ensure your app continues to excel in the marketplace. Plus, we understand the funding landscape. We have experience showcasing apps to investors, and we can help you navigate this process. So if you want a partner who understands the commitment of a successful app development, look no further than Morphed Tech. Contact us today to start your app development journey. Thank you for considering us, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.